The Right to Information Act (RTI Act), enacted in India in 2005, is a legislation that empowers citizens to seek and receive information from public authorities. It aims to promote transparency, accountability, and participation in governance. Here's an explanation of the key features and provisions of the RTI Act. 1. Scope and coverage. The RTI Act applies to all government and public authorities at the central, state, and local levels. 1. It covers government departments, ministries, public sector units, and any organization funded or controlled by the government. 2. Right to information. Every citizen has the right to request and receive information from public authorities. 2. This information can include records, documents, files, memos, emails, opinions, and any other material held by the authorities. 3. Public authorities. The Act defines public authorities as any government department, office, or body established or constituted under the Constitution, law, or executive order. 3. It includes institutions like schools, hospitals, and organizations receiving substantial government funding. 4. Information disclosure. Public authorities are obligated to proactively publish certain information to ensure transparency. 4. This includes details of their organization, functions, duties, powers, and the services they provide. 5. Requesting information. Any citizen can file an application to seek information from a public authority. 5. The application must be in writing, specifying the details of the information required and the contact information of the applicant. 6. Time frame. Public authorities are required to respond to information requests within 30 days from the date of receipt. 6. In some cases, an extension of 30 days may be granted if the information sought involves a third party or large volumes of data. 7. Exemptions. Certain types of information are exempt from disclosure to protect sensitive matters such as national security, personal privacy, trade secrets, and ongoing investigations. 7. However, these exemptions have specific criteria and limitations. 8. Appeals and grievance redressal. If an applicant's request for information is denied, they can file an appeal with a designated appellate authority within the public authority. 8. Further appeals can be made to the Information Commission at the central or state level. 9. Penalties and remedies. The Act provides for penalties and remedies in case of non-compliance by public authorities. 9. If information is wrongfully denied or delayed, the Information Commission can impose penalties on the responsible officials. The RTI Act has played a significant role in empowering citizens, promoting transparency, and combating corruption. It enables individuals to access information that was previously withheld, fostering greater accountability and participation in the democratic process. How to file RTI? To file an RTI, Right to Information, application in India, you can follow these steps. 1. Identify the public authority. Determine the specific government department or agency from which you want to seek information. 1. It could be a central government ministry, state government department, or any public authority covered under the RTI Act. 2. Prepare the application. Write your application in a clear and concise manner. 2. Include the following information. 1. Your name, contact details, and address. 2. The name and address of the public authority you are addressing. 3. The subject or topic of the information you are seeking. 4. The preferred mode of receiving the information, e.g., postal mail or email. 1. Pay the application fee. In most cases, a nominal application fee is required to be paid along with the application. 1. The fee amount may vary depending on the public authority and the mode of payment. 1. You can check the official website of the concerned public authority or RTI portals for the fee details. 2. Submit the application. There are multiple ways to submit your RTI application. 1. Online. Some public authorities have an online RTI portal where you can submit your application and make the payment. 2. Offline. You can physically submit your application at the office of the public authority. 2. You may need to attach the application fee in the form of a demand draft or postal order. 3. By post. You can send your application via registered post or speed post to the address of the public authority. 3. Make sure to keep a copy of the application and postal receipt for future reference. 1. Acknowledgement and tracking. Once you have submitted your application, you should receive an acknowledgement receipt with a unique registration number. 1. This receipt is important for tracking the progress of your RTI application. 2. Follow up and await response. The public authority is required to respond to your RTI application within 30 days from the date of receipt. 2. If you do not receive a response within this time frame, you can follow up with the public authority using the acknowledgement number. 3. Appeal if required. If your RTI application is denied, delayed, or if you are unsatisfied with the response, you have the right to file an appeal. 3. You can file an appeal with the designated appellate authority within the public authority or with the Information Commission at the central or state level, depending on the case. It is advisable to refer to the official website of the concerned public authority or the RTI portals for specific guidelines, forms, and contact information related to filing an RTI application.